If you want to try Linux without installing it on your Windows PC, you can set up an Ubuntu virtual machine. Here is how to install Linux and VirtualBox on Windows. In this video I will be using Ubuntu Linux. Instructions in this video are for installing Ubuntu 20.04. Virtual hard disk. You must create a virtual hard drive to save the changes that you make in Ubuntu. Choose VDI, VirtualBox disk image, and select Next. Choose Dynamically Allocated for the storage type and select Next. Choose how much space you wish to set aside for Ubuntu, and select Create. Minimum recommended space is 20 GB. The amount of space you allocate for your virtual machine determines how much Choose your language and select Install Ubuntu option. It will open Ubuntu installer menu. If you select Try Ubuntu, you can run the installer later by double-clicking Install Ubuntu on the desktop. Choose your keyboard layout and select Continue. In Updates and Other Software, choose Normal Installation or Minimal Installation, and untick Download Updates option and then select Continue. Check the boxes under Other Options if you want to download and install third-party software for Ubuntu, like graphics drivers. Choose Erase Disk and Now Ubuntu will start installing on your VirtualBox. This may take some time. While waiting, Ubuntu this video. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel.